I want to bring in Amit Bharadwaj, who is joining us live from the AAP headquarters. Amit, Kejriwal now out there on the streets leading this mega stir. It's over to you.
Akshita, we are bringing you these visuals from Deen Dayal Upadhyay Marg. This is the election season. Delhi goes for polls in 5 days, but this is possibly unprecedented election where 5 days before the elections, the Lok Sabha polls, Aam Aadmi Party is holding a major protest, and the Aam Aadmi Party's national convener is the one leading this march to the BJP office. And this happens a day after Bibhav Kumar, the PA of Arvind Kejriwal, was arrested by the Delhi police in the Swati Maliwal assault case. And all these workers and the cameras that you're looking at, the placards, Aam Aadmi Party workers holding the placards. In the middle of this entire crowd is Arvind Kejriwal, who's heading towards the Deen Dayal Upadhyay Marg's barricades, after which is the BJP national headquarters. So Delhi police has put a massive security paraphernalia out here to stop the AAP Karyakartas from heading towards the BJP headquarters. And right there in the visuals, Arvind Kejriwal with his supporters, with his netas, heading towards the BJP headquarters. And the CM security is at the front, ensuring that the TV cameras don't reach him. Arvind Kejriwal has made it a clear point. And also, Akshata, I can see Raghav Chadha accompanying Arvind Kejriwal in this protest. For the past 2 months, Raghav Chadha was not visible in any of the AAP protests. Despite Arvind Kejriwal getting arrested, he was in London. He had not come down to India. And today, you have the AAP Karyakartas, walking with Arvind Kejriwal. Arvind Kejriwal now heading towards the barricades at Deen Dayal Upadhyay Marg, and the barricades have been put by Delhi police to stop this march. Arvind Kejriwal has given a clear instruction to his workers that it is going to be a peaceful march. Nobody will try to break the barricades. As well as right there, Raghav Chadha, we can see Arvind Kejriwal is quite visible there, and the AAP workers have created a human chain to ensure that Arvind Kejriwal gets a clear passage till the barricades. And this is unprecedented incident where during the elections, at the peak of the elections, a national party decides to hold a protest and march to Gherao, the headquarters of the party in power. But Arvind Kejriwal wants to give a clear message through this protest. The message is that Bibhav Kumar's arrest has been done on the instructions of the BJP. The message is that Aam Aadmi Party is not going to bow down. Arvind Kejriwal is daring the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying that, look, I'm coming here with all my leaders, arrest whoever you want, arrest whoever you can, and I will not, move from here. So Arvind Kejriwal has asked his workers to sit on a dharna for 30 minutes at this very spot, asking PM Modi, the BJP, to arrest his, Karyakartas, netas, MPs, MLAs and councillors. And so what is expected now is that in some time from now, the commotion will settle down and Arvind Kejriwal himself will sit on a dharna along with Raghav Chadha, Sandeep Pathak, Saurabh Bhardwaj, Atishi, Gopal Rai, all the top leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party.
Moving forward there very, very slowly. The barricades are right in front of him. He's not going to be pushing beyond that. But announcements being made already by the police right now on loudspeakers saying that Section 144 prohibitory orders are in place. So do not try to breach the barricades and move forward. These kind of protests aren't allowed usually during election season, which is why those announcements are being made. Look at the kind of crowds that have gathered there. Many of them pushing through. Arvind Kejriwal right in front there, surrounded in those images, which we'll put out for you once again, where Kejriwal is seen clearly. He's got Sanjay Singh, Raghav Chadha, Atishi, Saurabh Bhardwaj, all surrounding him. And you can see the Delhi police and, of course, the CM security there, trying to ensure that there's enough space for the Chief Minister to move forward. You're going to see Arvind Kejriwal and all of those AAP leaders who've swarmed together there outside the AAP headquarters, seated at that very point to send across a message to the BJP. Announcements constantly being made, Amit, by the police personnel present there, warning AAP cadre from resorting to any sort of violence.
अब विभव कुमार को गिरफ्तार कर लिया। अभी कल राघव चड्ढा जी बाहर से आए हैं, अब कह रहे हैं राघव चड्ढा को गिरफ्तार करेंगे, आतिशी मार्लेना को गिरफ्तार करेंगे, सौरभ भारद्वाज को गिरफ्तार करेंगे, कैलाश गहलोत को गिरफ्तार करेंगे। पार्टी ने निर्णय लिया है कि ये रोजाना जो ड्रामा चल रहा है, जेल का खेल चल रहा है, उसकी जगह अगर आपको पार्टी को खत्म करना है, हम सब आपके पास, आपके सामने।
जेल भरो आंदोलन जैसा है
नहीं, हम सब सामने हैं। अगर उनको गिरफ्तार करना है, सबको इकट्ठे गिरफ्तार कर लें, जनता इसका जवाब देगी।
दिल्ली पुलिस कह रही है 144 लगा हुआ है, मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट में इस तरह की धरनेबाजी नहीं चल सकती।
धरना हम दे नहीं रहे, हम तो कह रहे हैं गिरफ्तार कर लो।
So right there, Aam Aadmi Party's Delhi convener and minister Gopal Rai telling us that this drama of jail ka khel that is continuing for the past few months, they want to put an end to it, saying daring PM Modi and the BJP to arrest all the AAP leaders if they want to and if they can, and that's why the Arvind Kejriwal, national convener of the Aam Aadmi Party, is sitting on a dharna out here. A peaceful dharna. That's the message by AAP chief to all the Karyakartas, Netas, MPs who have gathered here. I was speaking about that message, Akshata, that needs to be given out, and that's why this entire protest has been planned by Aam Aadmi Party. Swati Maliwal is not a newcomer in Aam Aadmi Party. She has been close aide of Arvind Kejriwal since the PCRF and Parivartan days. She has been part of the team which used to plan the nitty-gritties of the Anna Andolan, and now after becoming the Rajya Sabha MP, barely a couple of months after becoming Rajya Sabha MP, this assault gate case has come to the fore. So this must have created a lot of question mark amongst the AAP leaders, Karyakartas outside the national capital. So the message is being given by Arvind Kejriwal himself. He's saying that the BJP can stoop to any level, conspire to any extent to crush Aam Aadmi Party and to create, malign Aam Aadmi Party's image ahead of the elections. And Arvind Kejriwal spoke of abhor rally of Prime Minister Narendra Modi during the Punjab election, saying that as to how PM Modi had claimed that Arvind Kejriwal is a Khalistani, that Aam Aadmi Party will create Khalistan if they get elected in Punjab. And 2 years on, no investigation has happened. So Arvind Kejriwal claiming that these are bogus claims, false claims, allegations being put by the BJP, and in fact PM Modi is afraid of Aam Aadmi Party, and that is why Operation Jhadu has been started. And these are the
also in that speech that Arvind Kejriwal gave just over 10 minutes, Amit, when Arvind Kejriwal spoke on stage there, in that 10-minute speech, he spoke about Operation Jhadu, about the BJP constantly targeting AAP leaders. He referred to his PA, to Bibhav Kumar being arrested as well, but at no point did he refer to Swati Maliwal? As many of the AAP leaders have been calling her a BJP agent, he didn't do that. He didn't refer to the case. He didn't refer to the controversy whatsoever. So Arvind Kejriwal steering clear of it. And so far, even Swati Maliwal, while she's accused the Aam Aadmi Party leadership of targeting her, while she slammed the AAP, has never named Kejriwal either. So the messaging here is very clear that the AAP wants to keep Arvind Kejriwal away from this entire issue. And while he's there, protesting, clearly shown his backing for Bibhav Kumar, he hasn't uttered a word against Swati Maliwal, or for that matter on the entire case and the serious allegations of assault that she's levelled that happened at his residence. But Kejriwal not uttering a word so far on that. So he remains silent on this entire controversy. Amit, the only hint really we have is that he's backing Bibhav Kumar amid all this.
Akshata, somebody who knows Arvind Kejriwal's style of politics, this is what was expected. It's a SOP of Arvind Kejriwal when it comes to dealing with rebels and those who create, controversies of this sort, or, have attacked the party at the weaker moment when the party has been vulnerable. Remember the Yogendra Yadav episode, remember the Kumar Viswas episode, and now it's Swati Maliwal episode. Arvind Kejriwal has always tried to not take the name of the leader in question, and it was very much visible during the Kumar Viswas episode as well. And in fact, you would also remember the kind of statement that episode, the ugly chapter had started in party. He had said that I will even giving you punishment, and till date it's a fact that Aam Aadmi Party has not thrown out Kumar Viswas out of the party, and despite that, look what happened to fate of Kumar Viswas. So he's out of the entire AAP system, and carrying out his life of a celebrity, but his political career has been brought down, finished off by Arvind Kejriwal and his party. So in this particular case as well, in Swati Maliwal case as well, Arvind Kejriwal is not taking Swati Maliwal's name, is not referring exactly to the case, rather is speaking of the larger BJP conspiracy, is alerting his party workers, saying that in the days to come, as the polling in the Delhi national capital nears, such conspiracies could further, get escalated, saying that the BJP could stoop to any level in the days to come. Is alerting the AAP Karyakartas not only in the national capital but also in Punjab, and is giving anecdotes to establish his point. So that's Arvind Kejriwal's style of politics, that SOP of Arvind Kejriwal. But as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, they're releasing video after video, questioning Swati Maliwal's conduct, calling her pawn of the BJP, saying that this was a conspiracy to attack Arvind Kejriwal, not Vibhav Kumar, and Vibhav Kumar ended up being, getting confronted Swati Maliwal, and now they are accusing Swati Maliwal of trespassing, manhandling Vibhav Kumar, threatening the security officials. Akshata.
So we're putting out those images, live images right now of Arvind Kejriwal moving forward with that army of AAP leaders, essentially all moving forward in their dharna, their march. So far, it looks to be peaceful. There's a lot of chaos because there are scores, hundreds of AAP workers, all who've gathered at that very spot on DDU mark. There are, of course, traffic diversions put in place. But those images there, you see all of them chanting slogans together, raising slogans, all going ahead and demanding answers from the BJP. Sanjay Singh seems to be also speaking there, chanting those slogans. But this will continue for the next 30 minutes. That's what Kejriwal has said. He said, we will be seated there for 30 minutes. We dare the BJP to come and arrest us. Let's cut across live, show you what's happening briefly. You can hear Tanashahi slogans there being raised by the AAP workers.